Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy T. Today I got two boxes, man. I got a Soul Supremacy beater box, which was 590 bucks shipped. And I just got this little box in. This is a personal pickup. Been wanting these shoes for a long time, man. And just found a great deal on them. And so I decided to go ahead and cop. So before I ramble too much, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this personal pickup real quick because I can't wait to see how these look. I got these off of eBay auction. It wasn't a Soul Supremacy auction, it was from another private seller. I had picked these up and in great shape. I've been wanting them for a while, so I decided to pull the trigger. I haven't been buying too many Jordans, like individually, at all. These are a size 11. You probably can't even see that tag. Here they are. Nike Vapor Maxes. Been wanting these things for a long time, man. People either really love this shoe or really hate this shoe. I am a big fan of the Vapor Maxes myself. This is the only colorway I have in these. And man, I just love them. All of the air cushioning and all that. It's just a really clean shoe to me. These are used, but easily a 9 out of 10 condition. I picked these up for like $130. Once I paid about $130 shipped for these, so wasn't too bad. And will eventually be turned into a gym shoe. But throw that to the side. Let's go to what y'all came here for. $590 Soul Supremacy beater box. Just came in from UPS. I do pretty good in the mid-range boxes. I know a lot of people hate the mid-range boxes and low-tier boxes and only try to get the high boxes, but I do pretty good with with the medium ones, medium-tier boxes. So that's what I've been getting lucky with. But like I always say, I just put it in my cart and go. When I say I just throw the box in my cart and go, guys, I just literally put a, if you've never been to their site, which most of you guys probably haven't since there's only about 150 members nationwide, you put a random box in your cart, and on my end it won't show me how much the box is until I actually go to cash out to pay for it through PayPal or credit card or whatever. And that's what I do. I just randomly select the box, and whatever I land with is whatever I buy. And that's why I've been getting random low tier, mid tier, had $900 boxes, but for the most part I've been getting around the mid tier boxes. This one again was $590. I got two pair without boxes. We got some kid shoes first. These are Black Cat 4s. Not in the greatest condition at all. It looks like the cushioning slid down on this. These are a size 5Y. Size 5Y on the Black Cats. Nothing special there. I got a Air Max 1. Don't know too much about these at all. They don't have a box. They seem to be in really good shape though. The dirty bottoms. I don't know much about these shoes at all. They do come with some shoe trees, which I'll probably be keeping the shoe trees. Every time I get shoes with the shoe trees from a Soul Supremacy box, I keep the shoe trees. I probably got about 10 pair of shoe trees for free out of the Soul Supremacy boxes. But yeah, these Air Maxes, man, they in pretty good shape. Don't know much about them. I had to do my research on them, but these are a size 10.5. For the rest of these shoes come with boxes. I got a 9.5 Retro 8, and this must be a replacement box because these are not 8s. We got some Jordan 13, Chutney 13s. Let me check the size. These are 9.5, but they're They will be in a replacement box. These are the recent release. Not too much not too much toe cap creasing or anything like that. Could use good cleaning around the sides. But other than that, not too bad. Size 9.5 with a replacement box. Next up, got a smaller box, size 4.5 wide, Jordan 10. Box is in great shape. And the shoes look to be DS. They're not DS, but we got some Jordan 10s and a size 4.5 wide. Easy 9 out of 10 condition on these. Kids shoes sell. They sell pretty good. They sell really well, actually. So those will move pretty fast. Size 4.5 on the Jordan 10s. Next up, I got a Jordan 7. Box is dinged up. Size 13. They might be DS. They got the Soul Supremacy sticker on the box right there. Alright guys, we back. Man, my camera died on me again. When we left off, man, I was showing you guys these Jordan 10s. Dead stock. Double nickel 10s. Very nice shoe. I'm not a big fan of 10s myself, but you can't go wrong with a DS pair of double nickels. So happy to have them. We got 2 more in the box. Go ahead and get rid of this box. This is a Nike SB box, size 13, Nike Dunk High Elite SB, size 13. I have no idea about SBs, as you guys know. These are size 13, and these look to be dead stock also. So you never know with SBs. It could be worth a little, worth a lot. It's at the bottom of the box. I'm not too sure, but that's those. I'm gonna do my research on those. And lastly, in this box, I got a size 12.5 Jordan 5 Laney. These are not DS, but they look really, really good. Bottom still icy. No yellowing in the netting. They even still tied up like a DS pair. These are very clean, size 12.5. 12.5 is a hard size to come by when it comes to J's. I don't know why they don't make a lot of 12.5s, but size 12.5 Jordan 5 Laney. Again, this was a $590 box shipped. I don't know too much about the SBs or these Air Maxes, so I'm gonna do my research on those. But overall, it's a pretty decent box. I'm happy with it. Hopefully I have another box coming in soon. Today is Saturday. The other boxes drop on Sunday, so I may be able to get another box and video up for you guys next week, hopefully. Appreciate you guys coming back, watching these videos, man. Appreciate your time. With that being said, I'm out. Peace. Alright guys, so I just got done watching the video, realized that you guys did not get to see the Jordan 7s due to the camera messing up. I thought it was the Jordan 10s that we left off on. But anyway, we got some Bordeaux 7s. These came in the beater box as well. Size 13. Pretty good shape. Yeah, sorry about that camera issue. But not too bad, man.